Open your page and click Edit with Elementor. Scroll down and click Add New Container. With your mouse, select your structure. Select a structure. Click Widgets panel. Click and drag heading, then drop it in the container. Click Center. Click Title. Type a new title. Click Style. Click Edit. Click Size. Type Size. Click Advanced. Click Link Values together. Click Top. Type a negative margin. We'll use -200. Click your heading. Scroll down and click Z index. Change Z index to a lower value than value of the front layer. Click the left arrow. Great! Now we can see that our heading text is behind our transparent object.